Well, it's a late fall harvest at the worm bin, and thought I'd show people what a month of not disturbing them kind of looks like. They really like corn, and this is just not touched until now. And you can see what they like to eat and what they don't like to eat. They've really gone through a lot of this stuff. Sometimes there are literally sounds coming from these. Oh yeah, I think we're in luck. See, then we got to compost there when it's broke down. Isn't that cool? Anyway, oh, there's a worm ball right there. Look at that. A worm mass. So I'm going to be quiet, uncharacteristically, and let people listen. Those are the worms. Believe it. They usually even make more noise, if you can believe it. In the summer, like anybody, more active. Trowel is a nice way to work the compost heap so you don't hurt too many of them. Boy, phones are amazing how they get detailed these days. There's a red wiggler and a banded earthworm. I've got Canadian night crawlers in here too, so wow, that's like the first time I've gone in that close. Hopefully people can hear this on the end when they're viewing this. Anyway, I'm going to go to the next step, which is harvesting the worm tea, compost tea. So stay